Hello, good morning. Today mo while watching me sa Mululaba which is naa sa Sunshine Coast. By the way, this is our third attempt. First attempt na mo kay wala mi kakitag well so gitagaan mi balik og ticket. Second attempt na mo kay na-cancel due to weather. Then this is the third. Hopefully makakita dyan mi well. Puli rami dayon kay gipang sipon pa mi. Hello, time check 10 AM na mi diri sa The Wharf Mululaba. Ang amo ang whale watching mo start 10:30 mga 30 minutes siguro or up to an hour guro nga patubang ra dito sa Lawod jud dayon dito na din mangita. So ano ra ang pila taas kayo. Mao ni ang sakyan kanang yacht na sa likod kanang dako. Nakasakay nami anang cruise, canal cruise. Dili kanal nga kanal ha, kana canal cruise. Polit lang mi kay wa mo mi garage.
So all the movies on a big screen when we couldn't afford to pay the price. We snuck in through the back, hearts racing as the lights went black. Hold up, when did we grow up? When did dreams give way to plans? Wonders slip through our hands. Just hold up, just hold up. Way back now, I watched him in the yard and wonder how the world still feels that wide. Skin knees and open skies, no fear behind their eyes. Hold up, when did we grow up? When did dreams give way to plans? Wonders slip through our hands. Just hold up, just hold up. I said hold up. Why did we grow up? When did we start moving so
That's it, maora to ang whale watching. King stop over mi diri sa Makas kay katugon kayo ko ganina ga drive so natog rami sa parking lot dayon. Bago ray mata nya kaon lang sa mi before mi mulakat.